Taffy boy boy. Hi guys, so this is Taffy right now. This is before, and then we will see after he had his makeover. So daddy book him for his makeover because he's, although it's winter, but look at his hair, there's lots of hair, and then he always gets hot. So yeah, and then he needs some he needs to cut the nails as well because it's really long now. Yeah, baby. So the dog groomer will gonna be here soon. So that's the Taffy boy right now. And look at the tail, he's happy. And then we will see him later after his grooming. Are you excited? So he did not go to work today because his book. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that handsome face. Look at that handsome face. Hello? Hello? Why you did not go to work today? Because you will have your makeover. Isn't it, baby? Are you excited? Huh? I think you are. Look at your tail. Are you excited? Are you excited? Huh? And then after she did your hair and then everything, mommy will gonna shower you, isn't it, boy? And then tomorrow you can go to work again with daddy. Do you want to go to work again tomorrow? Huh? And then after your makeover, you will have a really, really yummy treats. Taffy, are you ready? Are you ready for your makeover? Huh? Say bye for now. Bye-bye, guys. See you later after my makeover. Taffy, you still need shower. You still need shower. I know. You just had your haircut. And look at the nails now. Look at Taffy's nails now. Ooh. Hey, handsome. Handsome. You still need shower. Mommy will gonna shower you, okay? So that's Taffy boy now. Taffy. How's your makeover, Taffy? Taffy, how's your makeover? So hi guys, so Taffy boy had his haircut, and then also she cut his nails. So now I'm gonna shower him. Taffy, hey, handsome, cutie pie, cutie pie. Are you ready for your shower? Huh? Who's handsome? Who's handsome? Who's handsome? Okay, let's shower now. So, our our handsome boy had his shower. Taffy! 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 Who's handsome? Who's handsome? Huh? So, he's really good now. He smells really good. And he's really clean now. So, he's ready to go to work tomorrow. Aren't you, boy? Ooh, look at the tail. Are you excited to go to work tomorrow? Huh? Taffy! Taffy! He always, after his shower, always go and monkeys a bed. Taffy! 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 My sus! My sus! My sus! My sus! Showing up! My sus! My sus! My sus! What's that? What's that? Look at your nails! It's so pretty! Taffy! Look at your nails. How's your makeover? Huh? Look at your nails.